Hey guys, Brian with SoCo Customs reminding you to retain social distancing between yourself and brand new ball joints. What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs again. We have another collaboration build for you, but first, that housekeeping we always talk about. For those returning, make sure to click that bell so you don't miss out on any of the content that we are producing. Give this a thumbs up because it really helps our rankings. For those brand new, thumbs up, subscribe, make sure to click that bell symbol, and we want to get this in front of as many new eyes like yourself as possible, so be a friend, tell a friend. As usual, cost of admission here is that thumbs up. Make sure to click it. Today we have a 2020 Toyota Tundra with the 1794 package. This is a super high-end package that competes with the King Ranch and the High Country from Ford and Chevy respectively. I love the colors that they use inside of these, but that's not why you tuned in. To start off, we sent this truck over to Supreme Refinish for the color match. Make sure to give Austin, the owner, a follow. He's got a great YouTube channel that I don't think it's going to be very long until he's monetized. You can watch it without ads right now. That's not going to last. Click that card in the top right corner of the screen. Over at Supreme Refinish, they matched that emblem color, put it on the tailgate. They also matched the wheel color and put it in the grille and the mesh pieces that we put in this bumper. Look guys, chrome is so 1794. Now for the pertinence. This is the Ready Lift 3-inch SST. SST means that there's no cutting. Most of the lift is achieved through blocks. The wheels are the Black Rhino Armory. They are 20 by 9.5 with a positive 12 offset. They come in this awesome gunmetal gray. We then wrap these wheels in the 285/60/20. They are the Cooper Discoverer AT3s. They are definitely a favorite among ATs here in this shop. The front bumper is the Rough Country Heavy Duty. All of the slots that can be filled with lighting are now filled with LEDs. We gave this truck a little more go fast with the AFE intake, the Pedal Commander tuner, and the MagnaFlow Street Series exhaust. Alright YouTube, thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell, and make sure to comment below what you think of this build. Cheers y'all.